On this episode, we're making the Sunday sauce, Sunday gravy. I do it all different types of ways. This is a pretty, entry-level way of making it. We didn't fry the meatballs. It's a healthier version, but it's still delicious. Hope you enjoy this one. Give us a subscribe if you like what you see. Enjoy.
Got some country ribs, some garlic, 2 pounds of chopped meat. I got hot and sweet sausage, bunch of garlic, olive oil, avocado oil. We're gonna have some tomato sauce. Got the fresh basil growing on my counter over here. I'm gonna start the sauce now. Put these nice country ribs that I got here from our butcher. Right in there, let's get them brown. I got this nice tool. You do this, so it breathes, but the grease doesn't go flying all over your counter, under your microwave, you know what I'm saying? Nice, catches all the grease. Alright, when it's enough, it should just pull off, like that. Throw that thing back on there, see that? Catch all that grease. Once it's brown on this side, you take it off and you reserve it. We got the flavor on there, the brownness. Beautiful. Put it in a bowl. That's my Italian bread over there, those dicey. That's it. Alright, I got too hot, too sweet. Like me, I'm too sweet. Beautiful. A little extra virgin olive oil. Garlic. Don't burn it. Lower the heat.
If you're using crushed tomatoes, it's pretty thick. You don't need tomato paste. You might actually have to add a little bit of water if you're cooking for a while because there'll be a lot of evaporation. If you're using a tomato sauce type of can, you want to add paste to thicken it up a little bit. It all depends on what you're using, what's on sale, what your preference is.
Breadcrumbs. 2 eggs. Parmigiano. Some milk.
Whether you're doing it by hand or by mixer, do not overdo it.
We taste it, we got a little bubbling action. Put the meat back into the sauce. Let that brew while we make our meatballs.
So basically, you use any type of meat you want. Back in the day, people used what was on sale. You could be braciole, any type of meat, pork, beef, anything you want. And this is what we use this time.
I'm leaving that juice out. Some people put it back in. Still a lot of fat on those country ribs. We don't need any more. Keep this cooking. Want to cook this for at least an hour. I'm going to put these in for about 20 minutes to a half hour in the oven at 350. And then we'll throw these into the sauce.
Those are missing. I didn't either. Debbie had to put it once a year, every year, the bird is on holiday. They call I don't even see a cloud in the sky. Okay. It is literally stunning. Wow.
So, I had more servings. Besides the Sunday dinner, we had some leftovers. The following day, I had a meatball hero. And then today, on my lunch break, back to work, I had the leftover macaroni with another meatball. I think I had a little piece of a sausage. Look, I got meatballs, sauce, ribs. I think the sausages are gone. Look at all these leftovers. This goes right in the freezer one night. We don't want to cook. This comes in the day, and by dinner time, it's defrosted, and you just have to heat it up and boil some fresh macaroni. Bam. That's how you do it.